In this video, I will show you how to transfer a Lovable project from one account to another or from one workspace to another. To get started, you can use the first link in the description to open Lovable and create a brand new account. This will give you 25 credits completely for free. You can use these free credits to build a new project. Now we will transfer this project called Clarity Finance from John's account to Alex's account. Lovable has an inbuilt feature that allows you to transfer projects from one workspace to another. To use it, open the project that you want to transfer. You can see that this is a project built by John. Click on Settings and scroll down. You'll see an option called Transfer Workspace, but the Transfer button is currently disabled. To enable it, open the workspace where you want to transfer the project. In our case, it is Alex's workspace. Click on Profile and go to Settings. Then click on People. I will now invite John to Alex's workspace. Click on Invite Members. Copy and paste John's email address here. You can then select John's role in this workspace. I will select Editor and then click Invite. Now go back to John's account and accept the invitation. You will now be able to see John as a member of Alex's workspace. Next, go to John's account, click on Profile, and you will be able to see Alex's workspace as well. To transfer the project, open it. Click here, and then click on Settings. Scroll down, and you will see that the Transfer button is now enabled. Click on it, and Lovable will explain the consequences of transferring a project. It will remove project access for members of John's workspace. It will grant access to members of the new workspace. It will remove all collaborators who were directly invited to this project. You will need to re-link connected integrations such as GitHub, Supabase, or any others that you may have used. It will also reset the analytics history. You also have the option to transfer project collaborators to the new workspace, or you can leave the setting as it is. Now, select the workspace where you want to transfer the project. I will select Alex's workspace. We have received a warning stating that the project will be made private, which is not a big deal. Click Confirm Transfer, and John's Clarity Finance project has now been successfully transferred to Alex's account. To verify this, I will open John's account and scroll down. As you can see, we can no longer see the project. I will open All Projects, and we cannot see the project there either. Now, I will open Alex's account and click on All Projects. You can see that the project has been successfully transferred. Now, what if John still wants to access the project? Don't worry, John can still access it because he's a member of Alex's workspace. This is John's account. Click here and switch to Alex's workspace. You can see that John still has access to the project. The only way John will lose access is if Alex removes him from the workspace members. So, this is how you can transfer your Lovable project from one account or workspace to another. If you want to know about an amazing AI website builder, you can check out this video right here.